seems like every time we're on a job site, somebody, some other contractor or the builder asks us, do people still put central vacs in anymore? And, I'm a smart aleck, so I'll look down at my shirt and then I'll look out at the van and then I'll look down at my shirt and look out at the van and then I'll say, nope. Like, this is what we do all day, every day. This is how we eat, putting in central vacs. So, but then I got to thinking about it. Like, there's a lot more old central vacs out there than there are new ones. And a lot of people think, I mean, a low voltage guy just made a comment to me the other day. Well, you got to be really getting killed by the Dysons and the robots and stuff, huh? And well, yeah, that's a factor, but we are busier than ever. We grow every year, and every time we get a chance to explain the value of what we do, we usually make a sale. And every system we do is custom, so it's engineered for how the people live and how they clean their homes. And I wanted to get a better idea of who actually buys our systems. So I went back about a month and I came up with a dozen installs, and I tried to figure out what the patterns were here. So they were nearly all retractable, coupled with traditional valves not retractable. The retractable ones were a mix of Hydahose and Chameleon because, as you know, we are proud to offer both fantastic companies and fantastic products. Um, Looking here, so we have a mix of age ranges, but it seems like they're either 40 years old and they have families and kids and stuff, or they're 70 years old. And the 70-year-olds, generally, they're building their retirement home and they had a system before, usually a traditional system. Like, okay, we're used to central vac, get another central vac, and then we show them like how much different and better the new systems are than what they've been used to. Let's see. First one, we installed 5 Haida hoses. They had a traditional system, which the wife did not like. Like, she wouldn't have that again, but she's big on the retractables. They were looking forward to it. Here's another one, 5 Chameleons. They had a traditional system before. They're from Canada, where, central vacs are everywhere. Here's another one. This customer put in 2 retractables. They were not using their traditional system. They had a beam from 20 years ago that they just tried a couple of times and then they said the heck with it. And they've got a Robo Shark vacuum and they have a couple of Dyson stick vacuums. And we installed 1 retractable on the main floor that hits the kitchen and the mudroom area. And we installed 1 in the garage because he's a car guy. All this started out because he wanted the central vac unit moved out of the way so that he could make his garage nice and pretty. And so now they're converts. They love it. They use it now, and they haven't used it before. They had this awesome thing in their house. They hadn't used it. So that was them. Another one, we did 4 standard valves in a condo for a customer that had, they've actually bought 3 systems from us. They keep moving and putting systems in because they like them and they use them. Another one where we had, this was retractables. This is their second home up in Wisconsin. They had it in another house and that we did retractable system for them. And of course, in their lake house, you got to have a cleaning system for your lake house. So we did another one. Here was one with several Haida hoses for a builder, and they had a traditional system before, which they liked, and we quoted them for the traditional, and then we said, well, here's a quote for the retractable hose, and here's a little bit about it. And they said, well, yeah, give me that one. There was another one for a house where the owner is a longtime customer. His cleaning people use his system, traditional system. They like it, but he just happened to see the retractable hose on display in our showroom, and he said, I got to have that. That's the coolest thing. So did one for him, converted, installed 4 retractable inlets to cover the main floor and the upstairs, and added those to his existing system. Here was one with 8 standard valves. This is a builder that they're longtime central vac people. They don't even offer it as an option. It's a standard feature, traditional system, unless their buyer says, no, I don't want that. And then, okay, fine, you'll get a credit. So that one builder, actually, one time they forgot to tell us that a house wasn't getting a central vac, and we roughed it in, and the people didn't want it, and that broke my heart. It was like going and going out and shooting my dog to have to go rip out that system. There was another one we did recently that had 10 retractables, big house, and he wanted them everywhere, including the garage and just full coverage. He wants to live in his house and clean it and use it, and it's going to be a sweet setup when it's done. There was another one with 10 standard valves and a big spread out ranch house. These people are, they're retired age empty nesters. They've had central vac for years. They're probably not using it. Their cleaning people are probably using it, but it's a big, huge garage, and we made sure to add an inlet to cover the garage so that they can vacuum their own vehicles as well as the garage itself, keep things nice and clean. Another guy who had a traditional system, and we installed a system in his new house with 8 retractables that he's looking forward to us completing. And finally, another one with a traditional system, wanted another system, and we ended up installing a retractable system for his with, I think, a total of 8. And so most of these people, they're sold on the concept of central vacuum. They oftentimes, they may or may not have bought another traditional system, but they all were on board with the idea of the retractable because they loved the benefits of the built-in vacuum. The hose to them was just a trade-off. You just deal with that because it is what it is. And now we can present a technology where there is no trade-off. You don't have that pain point of hose management. And most of these people, I think, are going to have somebody who comes to clean for them. They're going to make the cleaning person use their equipment instead of the cleaning person bringing their own vacuum that's been in all kinds of other people's houses and may or may not be any good. And these homeowners are also planning on doing some of the cleaning themselves because, you know, if a cleaning person comes every 2 weeks, you have to clean more often than that. So the idea of this was to make it easy for them to use this system in between when the whole house gets cleaned top to bottom, without having to scatter portable vacuums all over just for quick pickups. So that's my analysis. I don't know what else I can offer here except that to answer the question, do people still put central vacs in anymore? Yes, it's kind of, if you know, you know, you have to know, but it's still very much a thing, and I think a very good thing. So if you're building or remodeling a house, reach out to us and let us help you keep it clean.